Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best solar eclipse glasses is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment you'll need to safely witness the awe-inspiring spectacle of a solar eclipse, transforming a potentially dangerous viewing experience into a memorable and safe one, ensuring that your eyes are protected from the sun's intense rays while you marvel at the celestial event unfolding above, making them an indispensable tool for any astronomy enthusiast or casual observer alike. Number 5. Lunt Solar Eclipse Glasses 5-Pack. Witness the upcoming 2026 eclipse safely. Our glasses offer certified protection for your eyes. These glasses meet stringent ISO and CE certification standards. You can trust their quality for viewing solar events. Approved by the AAS, these are your reliable choice for solar observation. Enjoy the view with confidence. Get ready for the 2026 eclipse happening across Spain and the EU. This 5-pack ensures everyone can watch safely. Whether you're in the UK, Germany, or France, these glasses are suitable for the eclipse. Experience this celestial event without risk. Don't miss out on this essential viewing accessory. Order your 5-pack today and be prepared for the next solar spectacle. What we like. These are certified safe for viewing the 2026 eclipses in Europe. If you're planning to watch the next big solar event in Spain or the EU, these are your go-to. They offer peace of mind with their rigorous certifications. What people say. They work great for eclipses, bad for driving. Unless you want to test your ability to navigate traffic while basically wearing blackout goggles, please don't wear these behind the wheel. I wore them over my glasses and they worked well. They fold in 2 places for larger and smaller faces. You basically can't see anything except something as bright as the sun through it. In broad daylight it's like wearing a blindfold until you look directly at the sun, which is a deep orange color through these and not at all too bright or uncomfortable to look at. Number 4. Celestron EclipSmart Solar Shades Observing Kit. Introducing the Celestron EclipSmart Solar Shades Observing Kit. It's your perfect companion for safely viewing the sun and experiencing solar eclipses. These glasses are designed to fit everyone comfortably. With multiple folding points, they adjust to various face shapes and sizes for a secure fit. This kit includes 4 pairs of glasses, making it ideal for families and groups. Everyone can safely share in the wonder of solar observation. Enhance your viewing with the included 32-page guidebook. It's packed with essential tips, timetables, and maps for the best eclipse experience. Our solar-safe filter technology meets the ISO 12312-2:2015 International Safety Standard. You can trust them for direct sun viewing, including sunspots and eclipses. The solar film is made in the USA by a NASA-recommended supplier. It's independently tested for your peace of mind during solar observation. Enjoy a comfortable and natural view of the sun. The orange tint provides a pleasant observing experience in the visible spectrum. What we like. This kit is perfect for families or small groups wanting a comprehensive eclipse experience. It includes a helpful guide and multiple glasses with an orange tint for comfortable viewing. If you want to learn and observe together, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Protect your eyes with these glasses. Package indicates it meets the standards. The sun was the only visible thing in a sea of black and even it barely penetrated. It shows up as an orange-red ball with ease. It is not at all painful to look at. The glasses do help you look up to the sun without the harshness of the rays. Number 3. Medical King Solar Eclipse Glasses AAS Approved 2024, 10-pack. Witness the awe-inspiring solar eclipse with confidence. Our glasses are CE and ISO certified, ensuring your eyes are protected during direct sun viewing. These shades are AAS approved for the 2024 eclipse. You can trust their safety for this spectacular celestial event. Get a pack of 10 and share this incredible experience with friends and family. Everyone can safely enjoy the eclipse together. Designed for direct sun viewing, these glasses offer clear and safe observation. Experience the eclipse like never before. From Medical King, you get quality you can rely on. These safe shades are built for your viewing pleasure and protection. What we like. Get a great value with this 10-pack of certified safe Eclipse glasses. If you need to equip a larger group or want extras for future events, this is a practical and safe option. Ensure everyone can witness the spectacle without worry. What people say. These glasses were effective in filtering out the intense sunlight, allowing me to view the solar eclipse clearly and safely. The sun appeared in perfect detail, with the solar corona beautifully visible during totality. The filter was just the right shade to protect my eyes while not obstructing the view. They are certified in Europe, Ireland to conform to proper ISO standards. They are manufactured in China though. I double-checked their performance and can say that they do what they claim. Zero light through unless you are looking directly at the sun or at the eclipse. Number 2. Solar Eclipse Glasses Approved 2024, 10-pack. Our solar eclipse glasses are approved for direct sun observation. They are made by an AAS-recognized manufacturer, meeting strict safety and quality standards for this phenomenal event. These Eclipse glasses are CE and ISO certified for direct sun viewing. Independently tested, they meet the current standard ISO 12312-2:2015, E, for your absolute eye safety. Each pack includes a bonus smartphone photo filter lens. Turn your phone camera into a solar imaging device to capture the enchantment of solar events with unparalleled precision. This pack includes 10 glasses crafted for a universal fit. They accommodate wide and narrow faces for adults, teens, and children, and can be worn over prescription glasses. Witness the 2024 total solar eclipse with loved ones. Gather your family and friends to experience this breathtaking moment on April 8, 2024. The next one isn't until 2044. What we like. Capture the moment with this pack that includes a bonus smartphone photo filter. If you're looking to document the eclipse with your phone, these glasses offer that extra capability. It's ideal for aspiring solar photographers. What people say. Their ISO 12312-2 certification ensured they met the stringent safety standards for viewing solar eclipses. The fit was snug without being too tight, and the lightweight design made them comfortable to wear for extended periods. Despite the dark lenses, the glasses maintained excellent visibility, allowing me to observe the eclipse with clarity and detail. Number 1. Medical King Solar Eclipse Glasses Approved 2024. Introducing the Medical King Solar Eclipse Glasses, your ultimate protection for celestial events. These glasses are approved for the 2024 eclipse and come in a convenient 5-pack. Rest assured, our shades are CE and ISO certified, meeting the highest industry standards for safe solar observation. They are designed for direct sun viewing, ensuring your eyes are protected. These glasses are ideal for observing not just eclipses, but also sunspots and planetary transits. Experience the wonders of the sun safely and clearly. Designed for a comfortable fit, these shades can be worn over prescription glasses. They are suitable for both teens and adults, ensuring everyone can enjoy the view. Our advanced solar filter technology blocks IR, UV, and 99.99% of visible light. Safely view the sun without compromising your vision. Get excellent value with this pack, perfect for sharing with friends and family. Enjoy the solar eclipse together in complete safety. Each pack includes a bonus eclipse guide with a map. Enhance your viewing experience with helpful information and tips. What we like. This option provides certified safe viewing for a small group and includes a bonus eclipse guide with a map. If you appreciate having educational material alongside your viewing gear, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who want to understand the event better. What people say. The lenses provided a crystal clear picture, capturing every detail of the eclipse's mesmerizing journey across the sky. One of the standout features of these glasses is their exceptional durability and comfort. Despite prolonged use, they remained comfortable to wear, with no discomfort or strain on the eyes. I was able to cut one down and used it and a filter for my phone to take some really great pictures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.